Have you ever followed a request just because somebody gave a reason? There is a famous experiment that shows how powerful this is. In a study by psychologist Alan Langer at Harvard, people were waiting in a line to use Xerox machine. A person tried to cut the line and said, "Can I use the copier?" Not many people agreed. But when the person added just one word, "because," things changed. The person said, "Can I use the copier because I'm in a rush?" Now, 94% people said yes. And here's the surprising part. Even when the reason was weak, something like, "Can I use the copier because I need to make copies?" people still said yes. Why? Because our brains are wired to respond to reasons. When we hear the word because, we feel that the request is more genuine, more fair, more logical. And this goes beyond just photocopy machines. Neuroscience shows that the brain's prefrontal cortex, which processes logic and decisions, lights up more when people are given a clear rationale. We don't just want to know what to do, we want to know why. Now, think about how often we make requests at work. Things like, "Please fill this form, complete your training, update your goals, share your feedback." When we give no reason, it sounds like a task. But when we add a reason, it feels more meaningful. For example, "Please update your goals because it helps us align better as a team. Complete this training because it'll help you prepare for the upcoming project. Give feedback because your voice shapes how we work together." The reason doesn't have to be long or fancy. It just needs to make sense. People want to know why something matters before they can say yes. So, what can HR teams and leaders learn from this? Always add a because behind every ask. Train managers to explain the why, not just the what. Share the purpose, not just the process. When people know the reason, they feel respected. And when people feel respected, they are more likely to act. One small word, "because," can turn a task into a choice. Use it often, use it well.